Had you ever wondered why royal icing takes so long to dry and how it can be affected by your environment? Let's delve into the science behind this popular baking ingredient. Royal icing is made primarily of powdered sugar and egg whites. The key component, however, is the protein in egg whites that causes it to harden as water evaporates. The drying process of royal icing can take anywhere from 15 minutes to over 24 hours, depending on the thickness and environmental conditions. Humidity is a critical factor. In humid environments, royal icing can take longer to dry because moisture hinders the evaporation process. Ideally, it should be left in a cool, dry place. Adding too much water to thin the icing can also affect its drying time and hardness. Proper consistency is crucial for achieving that desired firm texture. To ensure your royal icing hardens correctly, consider using a dehumidifier in the room where it's drying or placing silica gel packets nearby to absorb excess moisture. Understanding these factors can help you achieve perfectly hardened royal icing for your baked goods, ensuring they look as good as they taste. So, there you have it, the science behind royal icing's hardening process. What tips do you use to ensure your royal icing dries properly? Let us know in the comments.